At the estuary of the River Nalón lies a picturesque and surprising village, San Esteban. Since the Middle Ages, it had been an important trading centre, and at the beginning of the 20th century, it became Spain's first coal port, shipping coal from the mining basins out to the world. Its golden age lasted until the 1960s, leaving behind a unique historic ensemble. Today, walking along its seafront promenade is like travelling back in time. The imposing metal cranes, the former customs house, and the old Coast Guard post and the reconstructed coal loading structures tell the story of a port that once drove Asturian industry. To enjoy unforgettable views over the Cantabrian Sea, follow the viewpoint trail that runs along the coast of the municipality of Muros de Nalón. Come to the port of San Esteban and discover the mining legacy by the sea.